How could the Indian automotive industry change post-COVID-19? Let's have a look. A transformation is in the offing. What changes could we see? For better reliability and to implement social distancing, a resurgence of personal mobility is expected. We may also see cleaner public transport with in-vehicle hygiene, health emergency aids, as well as cleaner bus stops and depots with daily sanitization. With the industry going digital, brick-and-mortar dealerships will also likely be slowly replaced by online marketing and sales. Customers with unemployment uncertainties and a hole in their pockets will look for cheaper options, which means used car market is likely to thrive. A greater focus will be on local manufacturing of components, modules, and technologies to be better prepared for such a situation. Shop floors will likely be made more compact and redesigned to have minimal contact with demarcated areas, relayed assembly lines, digitizing, and continuous health monitoring. The top brass though is optimistic. According to R.C. Bhargava of Maruti Suzuki, there is a pent-up demand for entry-level affordable hatchbacks. On the other hand, Pawan Goenka of Mahindra & Mahindra says that SUVs will help maintain better social distancing by allowing 3 people to travel at a time, with 1 person per row. Pawan Munjal of Hero MotoCorp is of the opinion that people would continue social distancing and hence there would be a greater preference for owned vehicles, including two-wheelers. Rajan Vadera of SIAM thinks that 2 and 3-wheelers, which contain a large amount of local ancillary parts, are expected to rebound faster. The EV market is expected to be on the up. The EV market is expected to recover sooner than its IC engine counterparts. Batteries, power electronics, thermal management and battery management systems will offer significant opportunities to localize and establish a comprehensive supplier ecosystem in India by 2025. The Indian electric vehicle market will continue to be driven by two-wheelers and three-wheelers. E-rickshaws, e-autos and e-two-wheelers are the most promising segments for electrification in India, and they are expected to account for over 4 million units by the year 2025. So to sum up, a lot of positive changes are expected in the coming period, right from localization to digitization. The top brass remains optimistic about the future, and the EV outlook is expected to remain strong in the medium term. Do visit our website www.quanzon.com or you can write to us at response@quanzon.com. Thank you.